Hello, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, today, brand new day. Today on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, August the 4th, 2021. We have here three regular Sudokus. The first one, a binary. Second one, a medium Sudoku. Then we have a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. So three regular Sudokus, but in this newspaper there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. And how much? How many? How many? Yes, how many? Seven. Yes, we have seven extra Sudokus, and four of them I will solve. So total today seven puzzles. A lot. So let me start first with the first one, the binary, and this will be number 3192. All right, 3192. And let me see, 3192. Before I start, let me see. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always five ones and five O's. All right, so let's get started. Double one, here and O, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Do we have more doubles? No. Between two O's comes in one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Interesting. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an one. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And I know between an 1 and an O with two empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So this box should be an O. Okay. All right. Let me see. Am I stuck? Can't believe this. Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place the fifth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Okay. A double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. The second column. If I place number 5, the fifth one here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column, not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So those two boxes should be a 1. Okay. Double 1. Okay. Double 1. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this box should be a 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Okay, double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place number 5, the fifth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be an O. A double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Alright. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So this box should be an O. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are the ones. Okay, double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay. If I place the fifth O here, we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Alright. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And double 1, here no, there no. Finished in 9 minutes. Alright. Great. A binary. Yes. without any comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. So see you then. Bye bye for now.